Welcome back, friends. Today's topic is on how to auto-highlight row when clicked in a cell by keeping previous highlights as it is. As you see in the screen, when I click on the cells, the row is getting automatically highlighted by keeping the previous highlight intact. Using these three control buttons, you can start, stop, and clear the highlighting. For example, if I click on Stop button, a message box pops up which says Highlighting Disabled. Now, when I click on cells, no highlighting is there. If I click on Start, it again gets activated. And the highlighting is done by one click in the cell. To clear all highlights, simply click on Clear button. So here I am going to show you how we can do this. Let's get started. First, create three control buttons for Start, Stop, and Clear. For this, click on Insert tab, Illustrations, then Icons. Search for Start, then select the image. Again, search for Stop, then select the image. Search for Clear, select the image. Then click on Insert. Resize the buttons and keep them properly aligned. Apply related color fill in the buttons. Now we need the VBA code to do this automatic highlighting. The required code here I have in the Notepad document. You can get this code from video description below. Select all and copy the code. Go to Excel, right-click on the sheet, then click on View Code. Here in the coding window, paste the copied code. Then, here you have to do a modification in the code, that is, change the sheet name in the clear highlighting procedure. This sheet name has to be replaced with the actual name of sheet in your workbook. Here in my workbook, the name of the sheet is Highlight Row. So, put this sheet name in the code. Now, close the VBA window. Then, assign the procedures to the buttons. For this, right-click on the Start button, then click on Assign Macro option. Select the Start Highlight macro, then click on OK. Similarly, for other two buttons, assign macros. Now, click on Start button. Highlighting started. Click on Cells, which row you want to highlight. Click on Stop button to stop highlighting. Click on Clear button to remove all highlights. Note that the Clear button will remove all highlights of the current sheet, except the conditionally formatted highlights. Now, finally, if you want to save this functionality permanently in the workbook, then you have to save this file as macro-enabled Excel file. For this, click on File tab. Click on Save As. Choose Macro-enabled file from the file type list. Then choose a location to save the file, then click on Save. This will create a macro-enabled file in the location you have chosen. Open that workbook to use this functionality again. So, that was all about the process of highlighting row based on cell click in Excel. Request you to subscribe our channel for similar videos. Thank you so much for watching.